Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send Telegram invitation on Thinkific course enrollment. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new enrollment in Thinkific course, then automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that enrollment. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first create an invite link for my Telegram group where I have all my course community. So after creating this invite link, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send an email automatically to my user that has enrolled to my course in Thinkific, and I'm going to send this email via Gmail with my invitation link that I've created for my Telegram group. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Thinkific, Telegram and Gmail. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and actions. In trigger application, I'm going to use Thinkific. In action application, I'm going to use Telegram and Gmail. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we have an exciting tutorial for you. So here, I will be walking you through the process of sending a Telegram group invitation to students who enroll in your Thinkific course. So this is a fantastic way to enhance your course community and keep everyone connected. So let's get started. So here we are going to set up a connection between Thinkific, Telegram and Gmail in such a way that whenever a new student gets enrolled in a new Thinkific course, then automatically I'm going to create an invite link of my Telegram group for that particular student, and I will send that invitation via email. So for setting up this connection and automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and with Pabbly Connect it requires zero coding and programming skills. Now we are going to use Pabbly Connect for building this connection. So for using Pabbly Connect, you need to first search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here what we need to do is we need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send Telegram invitation on Thinkific course enrollment. And now I'm going to click on Create, and this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Thinkific. So I'm going to select Thinkific here, and now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and enrollment created will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Thinkific with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I'm going to use this webhook URL, and this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Thinkific and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two accounts, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL, and I'm going to take you to my account of Thinkific, and here in my account I will go to Sites, and in Sites I will open Development. Now I need to visit my dashboard, so I'm going to click here on this button of Visit Dashboard. So here this is the dashboard of my site. Now what I need to do is I need to go to Settings, and here in Settings I need to navigate to Code and Analytics, and here I have this option of webhooks, so I'm going to open this, and here I need to open webhooks. Now what I need to do is I need to create a new webhook, so I'm going to click here on this New Webhook button, and first I need to give my target URL. So here I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect, so I'm going to paste that here, and now I need to select my model, so I'm going to open this tab, and here enrollment will be my model, and I need to give my enrollment topic, so I'm going to open this tab, and enrollment created will be my topic, so I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on Save, and I have successfully added my webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how we are going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to create a new enrollment of a student or a user in my Thinkific course. So here, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open my Thinkific site. So here, this is my site. Now what I need to do is, I need to first select my course that I want to enroll into. So I'm going to use this course of PHP course for beginners. So I'm going to select this. So here, this is my course. Now what I need to do is, I need to first click on enroll for free. Now I need to sign in as a new user or a new student. So here I need to fill all these details. So first I'm going to give my first name. So my first name will be Alex. Last name will be John. My email will be alexjohn@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a password. And now I need to give my phone number. So I'm going to give a random phone number. And now I'm going to click on sign up. So here we can see that I have successfully enrolled into my course and I have successfully signed up as a new user. So this is my course and I have enrolled into this particular course. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my enrollment. So here I have the first name of my user, that is Alex. I have the last name, that is John. I have the email address, that is alexjohn@pabblytudes.com. Also in this, I have my course name, that is PHP course for beginners 8 weeks. So here I have received all these details of my enrollment. Now what I need to do is, I need to first create an invite link for my Telegram group where I have created a discussion group for my course. So for that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here my action application is going to be Telegram. So I'm going to select Telegram bot here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And create chat invite link will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Telegram with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click here on this connect button. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Telegram, I need to give a token. So how I can get this token? For that, I need to create a new bot by using bot father. So for getting this token, I need to take you back to my Telegram account. And here in Telegram, I'm going to search for my bot, that is of bot father. So I'm going to open that. And here I need to click on start. And here I need to first create a new bot. So I'm going to select this option of /new bot. And now I need to give a name to my bot. So my name will be Thinkific invites. So I'm going to send this. And now I need to give a username for my bot. And before giving the username, I need to keep one thing in my mind, that my username should always end with _bot. So here my username will be Thinkific invites _bot, and I'm going to send this. And here we can see I have created this new bot, and here I have my token. So I'm going to copy this token and I'm going to open this bot and I'm going to start my bot. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to paste my token. And now I need to click on save. Now what I need is I need a chat ID. So here for the chat ID, I need to use my group and I need to get the chat ID of that particular group where I want to invite my new enrollment of Thinkific course. So for getting the chat ID, I need to take you back to Telegram. And here I'm going to use this discussion group. So here this is my group where I want to invite new enrollments. So here I need my chat ID. So for getting the chat ID, what I need to do is I need to go to my path URL. And here in my path URL after this hash, and here in my path URL after this hash, this is my chat ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. Now here I have filled my chat ID, but before clicking on save and send test request button, I need to go back to my Telegram group. And in this group, I need to add my bot that I have just created. So I'm going to click on this add user button. And here I'm going to search for my bot that is of Thinkific invites. So I'm going to add my bot here. I'm going to click on next. And here I've successfully added my bot. And after adding my bot, what I need to do is I need to use my mobile phone where I have my Telegram application. And in my Telegram application, I'm going to open my group of discussion group. And in that group, I'm going to promote my bot as an admin. As I'm using Telegram web, so it does not support anyone to promote as an admin. That's why I need to use my mobile phone. So I'm going to promote my bot here. Now here I have promoted my bot as an admin. Now here what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So I'm going to click here. And here we can see I have received this response. And in this response, I have this invite link. So I have successfully created this invite link for my Telegram group. Now what I need to do is I need to use this Telegram group invite link, and I'm going to send this invite link via email to my user. So for that, what I need to do is I need to add my last section step. And here for sending the email, I'm going to use Gmail. So I'm going to select Gmail here. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send email will be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I need to connect Gmail with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Gmail. Now I need to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And here my connection is successful. Now what I need is I need my recipient email addresses first. So I'm going to use the email address of my user that I'm going to receive as a response from my Thinkific enrollment. So I'm going to use the email address of my user that has enrolled into a course in Thinkific, and I'm going to map that here. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of Thinkific. And here this is the email address of my user. So I'm going to map this. Now I need to scroll down, and I need to give a sender name. So here I can give any sender name from which I want to send this email. So I'm going to type my sender name here, and my sender name will be Pabbly. I'm going to scroll down, and I need to give my email subject. So here my email subject will be join our course community on Telegram. And now what I need to do is I need to select my email content type, and I'm going to open this tab, and I'm going to select HTML as my email content type. So I'm going to select that, and now I need to give my email content. And here, if you don't know how to create HTML content, then what you need to do is you need to first open this hyperlink, and you will get all the instruction and all the tutorial of how you can create your HTML content. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my email content, and here my email content will be. So here this is going to be my email content. Now here what I'm going to do is after this dear, I'm going to map the name of my user. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Thinkific. And here this is the first name of my user. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Similarly, I have this bracket of course name. So I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to map the name of my course. And here this is my course name. So I'm going to map this. Now here in this quotation, what I need to do is I need to give my invite link that I've just created by using Telegram. So I'm going to open this response of Telegram bot, and here this is my invite link for my Telegram group. So I'm going to map this. And here in this bracket of your name, I'm going to clear this. So here I'm going to give the name of my company, that will be Pabbly. So here the name is going to be like Team Pabbly. So here I have mapped all the detail, and I have completed my email content. Now as I have mapped all these detail here, now what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response from my Thinkific enrollment, then automatically I'm going to use that detail, and all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. Now what I need to do is I need to scroll down, and I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent an email automatically to my user to invite them for joining my Telegram group. Now to check this, let me take you to Gmail. And here on Gmail, I'm on this send section. And here on this send section, I can see I have sent this email to Alex John. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my email, and the email subject is join our course community on Telegram. And this is my email. Dear Alex John, we are thrilled to welcome you to our PHP course for beginners 8 weeks. Join our Telegram group to connect with instructors and fellow students, get real-time updates, and much more. Click here to join, and here I have created this hyperlink. So after clicking on this hyperlink, it will direct me to my invite link that I've created by using Telegram, and by using that invite link, I can join that Telegram group. Best regards, Team Pabbly. So I'm going to open this hyperlink, and here this is my invite link that I've created by using Telegram. And by this invite link, I can join this group of Telegram group. So here we can see that my connection between Thinkific, Telegram, and Gmail is working successfully. Now let's go back to Gmail. And here on Gmail, we can see I've successfully sent this email to my user with my invite link that I've created by using Telegram. Now here, whenever I'm going to receive a new enrollment for a course in Thinkific, then automatically by using that enrollment detail, I'm going to first create an invite link for joining my Telegram group. And after creating that invite link, I am automatically going to send an email to my user. And in that email, I'm going to send that invite link that can direct them to join my Telegram group. So here my connection and automation between Thinkific, Telegram and Gmail is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have successfully created this connection between Thinkific, Telegram and Gmail for sending Telegram invitation on Thinkific course enrollment. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Thinkific, and my trigger event was enrollment created. Then I have set up my action app, and my action application was Telegram bot, and my action event was create chat invite link. And in the last, I have used my action application as Gmail, and my action event was send email. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.